Gosulub was nice enough to send me this window camera, so let's open it up and see what we have. The box looks like a legitimate Google or maybe Apple product. There's just some information on the sides of the boxes. First thing we have in the box is the camera itself, so that looks pretty interesting. There's the charger, and then the rest of the contents in the box are the instructions, a couple of pads, which I imagine are what you stick to the wall, and I think this looks to be a charging cable. It is a charging cable, but there's a couple other things. So we got a charging block. These look like hardware clips or something that I imagine goes to insulation. And then some stickers, which again, probably also for mounting or installation. Here's some of the instructions on how to mount the camera. What I'm probably going to do is try and download the app, get this set up, and get some screen footage of using the app. So very quickly, I just plugged it in. It made some noises and now it's flashing, so I'm gonna quickly download the app and try and get it paired. So I was able to get the camera connected to my phone. Here's where I was recording before. Maybe you can see here's me recording my phone, recording a loop, I guess. But I mean, you have this option to talk through the camera, which is pretty cool. You can hear what's coming through the camera, though I'm not going to turn that on. That'll cause a feedback on the video. It has the date and time up here at the top. So first impressions for me are pretty good. Again, this is motion censored and can record footage as needs be. And one thing I didn't mention when at first looking at it is there is a micro SD slot, so that's nice. I'd give this a hearty recommendation.